Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce downtime on siteground. Just tap on Safari browser, and if you want to create your account you will have to purchase the package, and if you want to buy the premium subscription of siteground, please go through the link in description and you will get a referral code from me for creating an account. And after logging in, what to do when my site is down. So in case you are not able to access your website and it seems to be down, and you can follow the suggest steps to troubleshoot the issue. So follow the steps please. And is the website accessible from other locations? Use a proxy service such as www.kproxy.com, and if your IP is blocked, your hosting provider will be able to track the exact region and unblock it for you. So that's thing, it is fact, and you will relieve. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.